Hey guys, this is my new flatmate Nikita. Hi! We're here in Alba, coming to buy a Christmas tree, looking at ugly ones. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? To be fair, even that doesn't look like crap. It's like okay. That's what we're trying to get for, yeah. Not crap. Now. So cute. Vlogmas has started early. Oh my god! We've been set up. You've been perfect.
What if I was naked? What if I stand in front of the GoPro?
Do it. We've got Hannah here doing a really... What is she doing? I thought the rose was going to be this complicated. Cutting some chocolate. Cookies are made! Milk has been reversed to normal milk, not hot chocolate. We've got Justin Bieber to buy. Back on the Shop Jolene grind. I haven't done Shop Jolene since I am filming today at a little fashion society fashion show. December 1st. My sister's birthday today. Happy birthday to Kieran's sister! Freezing cold and we are doing our daily walk to uni. I remember last year together, so who knows what's gonna happen next year.
Hi guys, we're doing CSL
And the Dante, it's 9:30. Elisa was my ex-partner. Oh no, Charlotte! Charlotte's really excited to be in it. It's taking the whole filling out, right? So we're here having lunch, but not having our soup because they ran out. Emily's really sad though.
Yeah, no, I am. Patient
Smells. I get no. Inside she's crying. And so is Anita because Anita wasn't gonna assist, but now she's assisting someone at 3:15. Sad times. Alright, what's up?
Okay, so we're gonna do a 6-point pocket chart first, and then she's gonna come and track it, and then we're gonna get an Oleary.
And then just super.
Oleary. Hi, bye, have a nice weekend.
This is Natanya. He's my clinical partner of my 3rd year. Got Kieran.
I don't like this. So cute. I'm so sorry.
Thank you. And my job is to put this green thing in their mouth. I forgot to defrost my food, hence hot soup and a tortilla. Good morning! We are crazy. Oh, Natanya's crazy and she's making me crazy. We're walking at -2 degrees. Oh, St. Michael's Hill. We're going to the market now. Okay guys, we're here at the bakery, at the market.
As well, yeah, sure.
Okay, I just met Nicole with an M. And we are waiting here in a long queue for Farah Bakery. Found a shopping centre and I'm gonna have my first day up. This is interesting. Oh, that's not what I was expecting. That's so good. It's rum. Rum. Finally left the house after 5:30. I've done nothing all day apart from one lecture. Alright, we're here at with Kieran's sister celebrating her 18th birthday, and we've got Sass here. Good morning. As dental students, you have to take your nail polish off. I feel like a school steward. Guys, this is my dental school. How pretty. Completely forgot to vlog Natanya, but I just had my patient and we cleaned her gums, moved restoration. She was so sweet. We gave each other a little hug at the end, and my supervisor was so helpful. Did a small injection. It was kind of hard to clean under the gums because I was a bit scared of hurting her. Writing up my clinical notes. Can't show you my screen, confidential. Then I can go and walk in the rain. I came home at like 1, gave myself a 1-hour lunch break, and then came and sat on my bed and gave myself another 1 hour time of just scrolling on my phone. So that's great. Now it's 4:20, and I just did my nail video for Lani London, and they've asked me to do 2 videos, so I need to do another one. The nail design. I was gonna go to the gym, but it's dark, it's rainy, it's 4:20, but this is a setup. So we have all my junk pushed onto one side, and my new light, my sleeve to make it look good because my hoodie's not nice enough. My little setup, oh cute! This deodorant to create some shadows, and of course my tripod. Ta-da! And then this is the shadow that I mean. That's my life.